Hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson 3. Listen and talk 1. Today's phrase is, it is said that. You can also find this in pages 46 and 47 of your textbook. Okay, let's do the warm activity. I will give you some clues about different movies. I want you to figure out what is the movie. Okay, let's try the first one. Movie 1. It is said that this is a fantasy movie. It is said that the main character's best friend is a donkey. It is said that the main character is green. Can you guess what it is? That's right, Shrek. Did you get it correct? Let's try another one. Movie 2. It is said that this movie is an animation. It is said that in the beginning of the movie, the main character is a boy. It is said that in the end, he becomes a man. It is said that the main character's father is killed by his uncle. It is said that the main character eats bugs. What is this movie? That's right, it's The Lion King. This character is Simba. Movie 3. It is said that this movie is about a rich family and a poor family. It is said that a main character in this movie dies. It is said that this movie won an award at the Oscars and Golden Globes. It is said that this movie was released in November 2019. What could it be? Ta-da! Of course, it's Parasite. This Korean movie was popular all over the world. Okay, let's take a look at today's key expression. It is said that. You can use this expression when you have some information about something, like a movie, or a book, or an event. Let's practice together. Person A. Let's go watch a movie at Lot Cinema. B. I want to watch something too. It is said that Lot Cinema has comfy seats. Right, I heard that too. In this example, you can see speaker B knows about Lot Cinema. They know that Lot Cinema has comfy seats. Let's take a look at another example. This time, repeat after me. Let's watch a horror movie. How about It? I don't like horror movies. It is said that this movie is very scary. Okay, let's watch something else. Let's try one more together. Please repeat after me. Let's go to a chicken restaurant after the movie. How about Woody Chicken? It is said that their chicken is the most delicious. Sure, let's check it out. In this example, you can see Speaker B has heard that the chicken from Woody Express is delicious. Okay, let's try this mini game. We don't want to watch a scary movie, but we can find tickets for a different movie. The 3 movies we can watch are With God, Parasite, and Train to Busan. Can we find tickets to these movies? How about With God at 3:30? Okay, perfect. How about Parasite at 4? Excellent. How about Train to Busan at 4:30? How about Parasite at 3:30? Train to Busan at 3:30? Oh no. How about With God at 4:30? Parasite at 4:30? Train to Busan at 4? And last one, With God at 4. Sold out. We could get 5 tickets to the different movies. Now, let's take a look at some dialogues. I want you to write your own dialogue. I will give you 3 minutes. You can write a dialogue between 2 friends, or a person and ticket salesman, or someone who you choose. For example, maybe a popcorn seller and yourself. Include the phrase, "It is said that." You can talk about a movie or something like this. Let me show you the structure. Here is an example. Person A can ask a question. Person B can give the answer. Person A can use the phrase, "It is said that." Let's begin. Well done, everybody. Did you finish writing your dialogue? Who was speaking? What did they talk about? What movie did they watch? Now I want you to tell your friends about the movie. Here are some tips for this activity. I will show you a sample dialogue. Try to think of your own answer using the phrase, "It is said that." Look at the pictures for clues. Okay, let's try the first one. A. What did you watch? B. We watched Kung Fu Panda. What do you know about Kung Fu Panda? Can you think of an answer? It is said that he's not smart, but he becomes a good fighter. What answer did you think of? Okay, let's try another one. What time is it on? When? I don't know. What time do you think it is on? Okay, it is said that the movie starts at 3:30. Okay, let's try another one. Did you have a snack? We had popcorn and cola. What answer can you think of? It is said that the Coke and popcorn at Lot is delicious. What answer did you think of? Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Well done, everybody. I hope you can use the phrase, "It is said that." For further practice and to look at some different examples, you can go to page 46 and 47 of your textbook. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.